Hey everybody, it's Mr. Franzmeyer here with the first problem on the January 6th homework, unit price, creating equivalent fractions to find the unit price. So first things first in this problem, we want to read what it says. And it says right here, 12 pencils cost $2.79. And at the bottom we have a dollar sign, big answer space, and then per pencil. So the first thing we want to do is we want to underline that word per and put an arrow to the next word, because that's going to be your unit. Your unit in this problem is pencils. This is the thing you want one of, one pencil. So when we make our fraction, the first thing we want to do is write in our unit on the bottom. And our unit, like we just said, was, the unit, like we just said, was pencils. So we want to put 12 pencils on the bottom. We have 12 pencils on the bottom. So what do we put on the top? Well, there's only one other thing in the problem, which is $2.79. I keep doing the wrong one here. That's okay. In my highlighter, $2.79 on the top. So now when we make our equivalent fractions, we want to divide by something to equal a new fraction, this time with something different on the bottom. What number is going to be on the bottom? Well, we know pencils are a unit, and unit always means there's one of them. So we want 1 pencils. But wait a minute, we can't say pencils because there's only one of them, so we can cross out that S. So 1 pencil on the bottom. And on the top, well, we don't know what it's going to be yet, but we do know that it's going to be some number in dollars. So what do we need to divide by to get to 1 pencil? We are starting with 12, and we need to divide by something to get 1. Well, 12 divided by itself always equals 1. So we divide by 12 on the bottom. If we do it on the bottom, we have to do the same thing to the top. So now our numbers are $2.79 divided by 12. So let's just pull out our calculator and have it right up here on the screen. So we have 2.79 divided by 12 equals, we have 0.2325. So that's a lot of stuff. Let's just, here we go. Kind of throw this away. There we go. We had what? 0.2325. But this number doesn't really make sense when we're talking about dollars, right? How do we have $0.2325? That number doesn't make a lot of sense. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take those first 2 digits after the decimal point, 0.23, and that'll be our number in cents, right? 23 cents. So our final answer on the very bottom is just going to be that I highlighted on the top, 0.23. And how we'd read this is 23 cents per pencil, right? And that is going to be our answer. 23 cents per pencil.